Why is data analytics a game changer in the retail industry? That's the question that sparked a transformative journey for a leading retail firm in Australia. With services spanning e-commerce, retail business, and marketing, this firm found themselves in a sea of data from various sources like Google Analytics, Service M8, Xero, and many more. The challenge? To harness this data, build comprehensive business dashboards, and ultimately make more informed business decisions. Discover how Blackcoffer's team of highly skilled professionals leverage cutting-edge technologies to empower organizations and drive their success. From strategic planning to implementation, Blackcoffer is dedicated to delivering exceptional IT consulting services tailored to the unique needs of each client. The solution was implemented through Wink Report, a data analytics platform. By utilizing native connectors available in Wink Report, data was seamlessly collected from various sources. From Service M8, data on assets, client profiles, invoices, and job allocations was gathered. Xero provided information on bank transactions, employees, payments, and more. Facebook and Google Ads provided insights on their respective ad performances. However, there was a roadblock. Communique, an essential data source, had no connector available to Wink Report. The solution? Web scraping. By scraping Communique's website, crucial data was collected, including account information, call statistics, and more. The result of this data collection and integration was a comprehensive, customized, and dynamic business dashboard. It included key performance indicators like sales this month, leads booked today, and cash payment this month. Visual elements like bar charts were added to provide a clear view of scheduled jobs by category, sales by month, and revenue by month. But the road to success was not without its bumps. The team faced a significant challenge in merging reports from different data sources. But with the use of merge report configuration, they were able to join tables from different data sources successfully. The project, spearheaded by the Blackcoffer team, a global IT consulting firm, marked a successful implementation of data analytics in the retail industry. By collecting and analyzing data from varied sources, the retail firm was empowered with a tool that provides insightful and actionable data, leading to smarter business decisions and growth. So why is data analytics important in the retail industry? Because it turns a sea of data into an ocean of opportunities. It sheds light on patterns, trends, and insights that can drive business growth. And as demonstrated by this project, with the right tools and the right team, data analytics can truly be a game changer. Join us on this journey to uncover how Blackcoffer has earned its reputation as a trusted partner in the industry, providing unmatched solutions that elevate businesses to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to gain invaluable insights and discover the possibilities that await with Blackcoffer. Like and share this video to spread the word about Blackcoffer's global expertise and industry-leading standards. Together, let's celebrate the achievements of this remarkable IT consulting firm and inspire others to reach for their highest potential.